It's Rika's birthday today. Pinik up namin si Dina at si Kate at may dinner kami sa Holiday Inn. Come and join us, Kalakwatseros. Ayan, lakad kami muna dito sa town papunta sa Holiday Inn. So tatawid ka sa underground. At ayan, pahinga-pahinga at posing-posing at picture-picture muna kami. So ayan, Dean's picture. So we are here just outside Holiday Inn while waiting sa kay Rika at sa iba pa. Ayan, the rest of our family, picture taking muna kami dito sa labas. Napagod actually sa picture taking sa labas, kininaw kaya pumasok na sa loob. So nag-CR. Waiting for them. Oh, they will come from this side. By the city center of Eindhoven, Holiday Inn. Ayan, dito si Rika actually nag-celebrate ng 16th birthday and 18th birthday. And now we're celebrating his 30th birthday here. So come and join us! So may family dinner lang kami today kasi nag-celebrate na kami kahapon ng birthday niya. Yan, so ito ang Holiday Inn. So dito kami magse-celebrate ng birthday niya kasi ngayon talaga yung birthday niya. Yung araw na to ang birthday niya. So we're waiting for them. Ayan o, kanina pa kami nag-iintay, wala pa sila.
Only in front.
So here's the restaurant. Wala pa sila, mauna na kami muna dito sa restaurant. So this is the restaurant of Holiday Inn.
There's the table for you.
So there's the table. Ayan ang mga pangit, naglalakad sila, nakita nyo? Ayan. Ayan, late na silang dumating, kaya nasa loob na kami. Halina kaya't nasa restaurant na kami. Ayan. Ayan ang birthday celebrant, dumating na, Diyos ko.
Ay, thank you po.
Happy birthday. So while waiting for our food, ayan. Rika, look! Kunin mo na. Okay. Wow, spare ribs! Spare ribs.
Mag-waste ka na lang naman eh. Okay na yun.
Dati hindi nga ako sanay mag-waste. Ano?
Moroccan lamb. Yes.
Wow!
Gracias. The third one? For who is?
Yes.
Oh, for me, sir.
Here's the pizza.
It's
That's the pizza.
It looks great,
Yes,
huh?
for me.
Oh yeah, you had the quattro formaggi, yeah. Medium rare. Medium rare.
Thank you.
The next one.
Medium rare here.
We have. And this one.
The birthday celebrant.
The birthday girl.
Yes.
The birthday girl.
There you have.
Thank you so much.
Yes, yummy food here in Holiday Inn. Yung kanilang grilled stone ay beef. Ayan, ready to eat na at nagutom kami talaga. Grabe. Ako ay pizza quattro formaggi. Ayan, at yan ang grilled stone nila. Okay, may pasta para syempre kay Baby Sophia. O, diba? At yan ang aming spare ribs. At ang Baby Rika ay naka-beef steak din silang dalawa ni Ronald. Beef steak sila. So, 8 smakalike. Ayan, spare ribs for Mark. And for Love. And for Sophia pala. O, ayan, picture muna with my baby daughter. And kay Ate Kate ay spare ribs din. At kay Dina ay beef steak. O, at sa akin ang sabi ko nga, quattro formaggi, the pizza for sharing. O, diba? So, kain na. Hey, it's back again. My pizza is yummy.
Mm.
How's your food?
Good.
My pizza is yummy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rika. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Rika. Happy birthday, Ate. Ayan, of course, hindi matatapos ang birthday na walang blow the candle and make a wish. So, today is Rika 30th birthday, July 3rd, 19, 2026, here in Holiday Inn. Dito siya nag-16th birthday, 18th birthday, at ang 30th birthday niya rin ay dito with family. Oh, so, kaya blow the candle, baby Rika. Yan, 3 times na siya nag-celebrate. Sa 50th birthday mo, dito mo rin i-celebrate, ha? Kahit wala na si Mommy, dito mo celebrate sa Holiday Inn in Eindhoven. I love you, baby Rika. Happy birthday and I wish all your wish come true. Ang anak kong napakaganda na kamukha.
Maligayang pati yun.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Di po rin tapos? Feliz cumpleaños! Yay! Pa.
Maligayang pati yun.
Maligayang bati, maligayang bati, maligayang, maligayang, maligayang bati. Di po rin tapos? Feliz cumpleaños! Yay!
A few moments later.
Nood na final ng football. Spain, Argentina. Ayan, after dinner. Oh, nakascore na ba? Ayan, busy ang lahat. Nakatunga nga lahat sa screen ng TV kasi final ngayon ng Argentina, ng football. Argentina versus Spain. So, of course, we are in Spain. Viva España. So, ayan, medyo seryoso lahat ng tao. Nakatunga nga sila sa TV. Hindi mo na kami umalis. So, nandito kami sa my bar. Kasi may parooran dito ng TV dito sa Holiday Inn. So, hindi lang naman kami yung nanonood. Marami rin naman tao dito. So, ayan. And the winner is Spain!